Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to fill text with image in Photoshop. Okay, I have a text. I already written this text. Go to File, Open Image, click and drag it. Hold Control, zoom out, hold Shift for fix resize. Okay, then right click the layer image with image. Right click on your mouse, create clipping mask. Okay, now see this. Fill text with image. You can use stroke, click effects, stroke and stroke color. Select stroke color. Okay, size. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.